Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and we're back today for a new recipe for a fermented banana hot sauce using our FarmSteady hot sauce kit. We love this hot sauce because it's bright yellow, full of banana flavor, and super delicious. We're kind of stunned how long it took us to think to put bananas in a hot sauce. They're a pantry staple. Not really a pantry staple because, they go bad, but they're something that we have on our counter all the time. Perfect fruit snack. And turns out delicious in hot sauce. The bananas pack a ton of tropical fruit flavor, and because they're super dense, when you blend it all up, they kind of act like a stabilizer, making for a super creamy, delicious hot sauce. While we're using habaneros in this recipe, if you're looking for something a little bit on the milder side, you can swap in Fresno peppers or just decrease the number of habaneros you're putting in. For this recipe, you're going to need 15 to 20 habanero peppers, 1 sweet bell pepper, sliced, 3 ripe bananas, but not too ripe, 1 small onion, sliced, 2 garlic cloves, we sliced those too, and 2.5 tablespoons of salt for your brine. To get started, we're going to peel and chop these bananas. Really, slicing anyway is just fine. We'll just want them to be about the same size pieces. Next up, we're going to process our habanero peppers. With habaneros, we like to take out some of the ribbing and the seeds. It's really more for the consistency of the hot sauce, but that ribbing has a lot of the extra heat, so taking it out will reduce that just slightly. Perfect. And now let's make your brine. For this, you're going to just take your 2.5 tablespoons of salt and whisk until dissolved. There we go. Now let's get everything into your fermentation jar. Layer in those ingredients. Bananas, hot peppers, bell peppers, onions, and garlic. Get everything tucked in there just right. Now add your glass fermentation weight. This is from the FarmSteady hot sauce kit. And then you're going to fill your fermenter to cover. Top with your lid and airlock and ferment away. After 2 to 3 weeks, your hot sauce is ready to blend and bottle. First, we want to just fish that fermentation weight out of there. And now we're going to scoop up all the peppers, bananas, onion, pretty much everything but the liquid, and get that into the blender first. You're not using all the liquid, but you are using all the solids. That's why we do it in 2 steps. There we go. Now we're going to add a cup of that fermented brine, right into the blender, as well as a cup of white vinegar. Then blend it up and transfer into bottles. We really love what the banana does with the consistency here. It's kind of like a thicker, creamier hot sauce, as well as super banana-y and delicious. After blending and bottling, you're going to have a ton of these really adorable bright yellow bottles of hot sauce that you'll want to store in the fridge so it doesn't continue fermenting. And we have tons of great videos coming out this season for more fermented hot sauce, vegetables, and other fun kitchen projects, so definitely subscribe to this channel and check out FarmSteady.com for all our recipes and kits.